In a time where the world is moving faster and faster, it is sometimes hard to take a break and to let go. We tend to forget that it's often the small and simple things that make us happy. Coming home after a long, stressful day, we all need to recharge our batteries. What else would be better to relax and to unwind than bringing back the simplicity of your childhood by watching spin toys overwin gravity? Also, simply having fun with your friends and loved ones is very precious in these hectic times. We have created Spinerds Spinballs, the fastest spinning toy on this planet. A fascinating spinning toy reinvented in an elegant way. Spinerds Spinballs are made from two solid steel balls spot welded together. We have used industry-leading coating technology and materials for a perfect spinning experience. Exposed to light beams, spinballs also create fascinating light effects you have never seen before. Together with our smart spin base and its integrated smart controlled LED light, you can create your very own light shows by using the Spinerds iOS and Android apps. Support us now and become a Spinard.
Don't don't drop your spinner.
Stop! Just stop, okay? We all know a fidgeter. What we've discovered, and what several studies have confirmed, is that fidgeting actually increases one's ability to focus. We just need a quieter, more discreet, cooler way to fidget. Introducing Momentum 360, the world's first centrifugal powered hand spinner. Its slim design allows you to take it wherever you go. The Momentum 360's smooth spinner allows you to fidget to your heart's content. Rather than annoy your friends, you just may impress them. The unique thing about the Momentum 360 is the ability for you to control its speed. You can spin it as fast or as slow as you want. It'll never slow down. Use the Momentum 360 at work to relieve wrist pain after a full day at the computer. The Momentum 360 is the perfect solution for all fidgeters. It's quiet, slim, and you will not be able to put it down. That's better.